Raccoon skull. Oh my. Interesting. So it says enjoy the trail at your own risk, guys. And it's almost Halloween. You know what that means. No, I'm just playing. This is an interesting trail. Like, I've never seen something like this before. It's so interesting. It's kind of spooky because it is at sunset. And I'm far from home, so low-key a little nervous. What was that? No, I'm just playing with you guys again. It's getting very dark, and it's kind of creeping me out because I'm all alone. And I don't want to get lost, so I'm probably gonna have to go back soon. So far, so good. No snakes, no gators, no nothing crazy. We good. It's weird because it gets lighter and then it gets darker. I may or may not be lost. There's like creepy sounds. It always sounds like someone's behind me and there's no one there. Does that mean this place is haunted? Do you hear that? Okay, this is creeping me out. I don't know what these are. But these sounds, I'm gonna keep moving. But I do like the boardwalk. It's like a grayish white. And I like that at least they have these numbers, so if you do get lost, like you can go back and see like, oh, 7, 6, 5, 4. I've never been here. I think this is Cape Coral. I see, I've been driving around all day. I don't even know where I am right now. Yay, we made it. Ooh, this is fascinating. I love this so much. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Swim at own risk. Who would swim here? Yeah, it's Cape Coral. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It's just perfect. And it's about sunset, so I really should be getting back. Mission accomplished. Oh, those big little falcons. Big little, you know what I mean. You can see the city of Fort Myers in the distance, Cape Coral. It's beautiful. Guys, it's so dark. And I'm not even halfway there. I literally have to my phone automatically use the flash now because it's that dark right now. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Full moon tonight too, guys. not the sun, it's the moon. I went to a cemetery earlier today and they had one of these too. I wonder why I'm drawing these kind of places in. Okay, so I booked last minute and they gave the 5th floor. They have a fireplace down there. I love it. Although it's a very basic, simple hotel room. Standard, you know, hotel. It was still worth it to me. Because, actually I'm going for the first time without preparation, like no packing whatsoever. No clothes. Kind of a mess, but it was spontaneous because I didn't feel like going home right now. I love that they have these bottles. ASMR. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna shower later when I get back. And guess what, guys? They never have mouthwash. Ever. Ever. They have mouthwash. Thank God. But I'm still gonna go to the store and get a toothbrush, like a travel kit and stuff, because you know what? I ain't gonna go to bed with my breath smelling. But yeah, same clothes, literally, so I have to wear the same clothes tomorrow. What a pity. Cheers. Some good old green tea. I was browsing through Netflix. My Netflix got hacked, guys. Someone, random weirdo in Georgia, is probably my ex. Oh, I low-key didn't say that just now. But anyway. Yeah. Anyway, it's a long story, guys. So I went downstairs and I was like, there's no tea. Where's the tea? And like, I said it nicer than that, obviously. I'm just tired. It's been a long day. I'm sorry. And she's like, oh, honey, you got these. I was like, oh, but I can't have black tea. So that's why I had to go downstairs to get the tea. But anyway, yeah, I like those coffee makers. So I got blueberry muffins. And then I got some extra salads. I just had this with some chicken Alfredo pasta. So I'm all full. I got the Buddha belly, I'm full. And I just had a nice shower. And I bought supplies, Q-tips, floss, travel kit. So I'm good. So I'm about to brush my teeth. I want to wish you all a good night. And I'll see you next time.